Doggy, it is hot outside. And I don't know about you guys, but I cannot sleep when it's too hot out. So what I did is ordered myself one of these. This is a portable air conditioner from Delonghi called the Pinguino. And I'm gonna do this video in 2 steps. First of all, I'm gonna do a review on this unit, including an unboxing. And secondly, I'm going to show you how to install it. By the way, I'm going to include product links in the description box down below so that you can check this out for yourself. Hello guys, my name is Tom and I am an American living in Europe. Let's get on to the video. Let's get started and open this up. One thing I want to mention is this is very heavy, so make sure you have a partner to help you lift it. Oh, okay, that's easy. It's like an umbilical cord. What is this? This, in fact, is obviously the power cord. And here, this is the one of the important parts. This is the exhaust pipe. Oh, that's a big sucker. And then we've got our air conditioning unit. We have got this piece here, which is very important as well. This is the adapter that's going to fit within your door or window opening, and it's what you attach the exhaust of your air conditioner to. More on that later. Oh, dang, it's heavy. Ooh, it comes on casters. Look at this. That sucker can dance. Very nice. Okay, so here it is, the Delonghi Pinguino. And if you know anything about me, you know that I am quite a big fan of Delonghi, so I'm looking forward to installing this and hopefully getting some sleep. In the box, you also have instructions, of course, in many different languages. You got the guarantee card, and very important, you have got the energy rating. So this is rated at A, does pretty darn good. You also have got some foam here for insulation, and you've got a remote control. I wonder how long it's going to take me to lose this. Oh, you know what? The remote control fits right on top. Maybe I won't lose it. Okay, let's check out the control panel. Let's turn it on, but first, let's go over the button. So you've got a timer function here. You've got mode, so you can choose between air conditioning, dehumidifying, and a fan mode. Here it will display the temperature, and here you can change the fan speed, low, medium, and high. Let's just give it a shot and turn it on. Oh, okay, even outside it's blowing some pretty cool air. Something really nice about this machine is that it comes with an auto evaporation feature for condensate removal while cooling and dehumidifying. So that's very convenient. You don't have anything here you need to dump. Let's turn it off and bring it inside and try to install it. Okay, the next step is you need to find a window where you can put the exhaust. And this window right here is going to work the best for us because it is not too wide. And keep in mind that this adapter only has a maximum length of 133 centimeters. So I've chosen a window that is more narrow than that. This window is in fact 98 centimeters. So if we try to put that here in the window track, it would fit pretty well. And then you can just let the shade go down on top and let it sit in place. The problem is, however, that it's not going to fit here like that. With this snapped in place, you would see we're going to get stuck. We can close the window just fine. That part is good, but we're going to need a spacer to go from here down to the windowsill. So I'm going to go to my local hardware store and get a wooden spacer that is 15 millimeters deep, 101 centimeters long, and I measured before 15 centimeters high. Hello guys, I'm back from the hardware store and I brought with me this piece of wood in order to lift up the whole adapter set. So all I'm going to do is put this here within the tracks of the shutter, and then we should be good to go. Ooh, excellent. And now we can fit our adapter kit on there. just like that. And affix it here with a couple of screws. Then we're going to let our shutter down, attach our hose, and try it out. We were provided with a couple of very small screws to affix these two plastic pieces together, and that's what that screw is for right there. And I have a couple of small wood screws here with flat heads on them, and I'm going to use these wood screws to affix this adapter right here to the wood strip that I bought from the hardware store. Now let's attach the hose. You have to screw counterclockwise to get it on there. Okay, all attached. And now we close. And that's what it looks like installed. Ah, cool as a cucumber. All kidding aside, this is so far a very nice unit because it's easy to use, simple to install, and from a great manufacturer. I love Delonghi, and even only having it on for about an hour or so, it is cooling down the lower level of our duplex pretty well, which is about 50 to 60 square meters. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching. And if you liked the video, please give it a like. And otherwise, check out my other videos, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to check out the links in the description box below. That does help me out quite a bit. Thank you for your support, and see you next time.